Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the last week in 2021. You probably didn't think that was going to happen, but as time marches on, as it always does, we get through good times, we get through the rougher times, and 2021's been a good year and a little bit of a challenging year on both sides of the fence, but here we are. We're in the last week of the year. Now, Merry Christmas, by the way, just a few days ago. But I wanted to jump on and give you a little bit of like a holiday trick. I should have talked to you about it last week and I actually kind of forgot about it, but here it is. I've talked about this a couple of years ago, but this time of year when kids are home and post Christmas and we've got craziness all over the place. Now, if you don't have children, no problem. This is still a trick that you can pass along to your patients. So keep listening. So we have this amazing herb called Kava, right? So here's what I did a couple years ago. For those of you that have not heard this story, my husband Rick and I went to a family member's house, and this particular family member has just a ton of kids, and they're crazy, and it's fine because that's what kids do at Christmas time, right? But I thought, I don't know if I dig all this craziness. Like maybe I'm getting too old for this and cranky. I don't know. But still, I thought, I'm going to do something fun. I'm going to see if my little trick works. This was my experiment. So what I did was I made Kava coladas. The recipe is below. So I made these Kava coladas and I put the Kava tablets from MediHerb in the Kava colada. And the kids loved it because I gave it to all the kids, and they loved it because it tastes good. It's sweet. It's got pineapple juice, blah, 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 pineapple. And they loved it. And within about 30 minutes, the house was like the stress level went way down. The noise level went way down. And everybody was just calm, cool, and collected. Now, Kava will do the same thing for adults as it does for kids. But this time of year, it's great. So whether if you're having some kind of party, you've got kids over, you better have on hand all of the stuff for Kava coladas, because I'm telling you, it puts those kids with their butt in a seat and they get quiet and chill and mellow. And it's super safe for them, good for their nervous system to calm down a little bit, and especially good for moms and dads, grandmas and grandpas, and aunts and uncles that are, hanging out with these kids that have more energy than we do. So check out the recipe below, Kava colada. It's one of my favorites. I use it during the year. Sometimes we have friends over, and if I don't want to have alcohol, which I don't drink, you all know I love gin. It's my thing. I love gin, but I don't hardly drink it. But oh man, when I do, I savor every sip. But sometimes I just don't feel like it. I don't want any. And the Kava colada is kind of my go-to because it's mellow, it chills you right out, and tastes pretty good. So have a wonderful new year. Thanks for being part of my community. I couldn't wish for better people and more wonderful practitioners to have as friends and colleagues than you. Thanks so much. Take care and happy new year.